channel. My name is Binta. So today's video I am going to be doing my turmeric face mask. So I have been doing my turmeric face mask for the longest time. It's been like 2 years since I started doing the turmeric mask, and that is what got my skin looking like this. As you can see, it is looking cleared. Not like all the way there. I don't have the perfect skin, but I have worked on my skin a little bit to get it to what it is right now, because my skin used to be really bad. So I am gonna make sure I insert a picture of what my skin used to look like so you guys can see what I was talking about. Okay, so make sure you guys like, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. Until I see you in the next video, stay tuned. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients that I have for this turmeric mask. I have my rice flour, I have honey, and of course I have my turmeric powder. I also have some apple cider vinegar. Make sure this is apple cider vinegar and not just any vinegar. I also have a slice of lemon, and I have my bowl that I'm gonna be mixing this mask in with a brush for application. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a spoon of rice flour and put it in my bowl. I'm just gonna take about like a tablespoon of rice flour, and now I'm taking 1 tablespoon of turmeric mask, turmeric powder, and now I am going to be adding some honey. You can add more honey if you want, or you can add less honey if you want. It's your preference. So I'm gonna be adding some apple cider vinegar. Make sure you don't add a lot of apple cider vinegar. Just half a teaspoon, like a teaspoon, is enough, because it's acidic. So you want to be careful with that. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze my lemon in there. So I have sensitive skin, so I'm not gonna put this whole lemon in there. I'm just gonna put a little bit, and that's about it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything together until it becomes like a toothpaste consistency. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Alright, now I'm done mixing this. I'm gonna go ahead and use my brush and start applying the mask onto my face. So before I apply the mask onto my face, I made sure I wet my face first, so the application can be smoother and easier. I'm gonna go ahead and apply everything on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this so we don't waste so much time on applying the mask. If you see me dancing, I was listening to music, so that's why I'm kind of like making some moves. So yeah, you want to make sure you apply this all over your face and under your eyes. Make sure you apply it under your chin as well. If you want to do your neck area, that's fine, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply on my eyebrows as well, because sometimes I do break out on my eyebrow area. So yeah, I'm done applying the mask, and what I normally do is I go ahead and mix all my turmeric powder and my rice flour and some orange lemon powder instead of orange. Lemon powder, turmeric powder, and rice powder. Put them in a container, mix them together, and just keep it in a safe place for next use. It's just easier for me that way. So right now I'm about to wash it off because it's almost dried up on my face. So it's been like 20 minutes since I put it on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off really clean. So this mask can be really messy because it's really yellow. You know, turmeric can stain very easily, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off as clean as I can. But make sure you don't wash this off with soap because you want the turmeric to do its job on your face overnight. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it with warm water. And yeah, so now I'm gonna use a black towel or a black washcloth and then tap dry my face. I'm gonna dab. I'm not gonna be rubbing it, I'm just gonna dab it dry. Make sure you're using something black for this because turmeric, like I said, it stains very easily, so you don't want to use your white towels doing this. And also you want to make sure you're using a pillowcase that you're not worried about it getting stained. Maybe a black pillowcase or whatever pillowcase you have that you don't care about if you're gonna sleep with this. If you're doing this at night, make sure your pillowcase is something that you really don't care about. So what I'm doing right now, I'm taking apple cider vinegar, which I put in a spray bottle. I'm putting it in a cotton pad and kind of wiping off the excess turmeric mask, because as you guys can see, my face is looking a little yellow, so I'm gonna kind of like wipe a little bit off my face from that, just so I don't have a lot of transfer. So as you guys can see, the pad is really yellow. You can see the mask, the powder on it, the turmeric on it. So yeah, so that is done. Now what I'm doing, I'm just taking my grapeseed oil and apply it all over my face as a moisturizer, and I'm done. So if you guys can see this picture on the side, that is how my face used to look like before I started doing the mask, and you can see a huge difference from before and now. So yeah, I'm done. I'm just applying my Carmex on my lips and then I'm off to bed. Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you tried this turmeric mask out, make sure you leave me a comment down below and let me know how you like it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions as well. Until I see you in the next video, thank you, bye.